Soft. Hi guys, today I got a little bit homesick, so I decided to make something that my grandma was making for my mom, that my mom was making for me, and sometimes my big brother was making for me. So I decided to make tiramisu, something that will wake me up. So here we start with the ingredients, it's very easy. Mascarpone, about 450 grams, 4 eggs, and brown sugar. Use the sugar that you like, this is what I like, raw brown sugar. And espresso. Espresso, don't use Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, don't use that kind of coffee. Savoiardi, which I don't know why are called in the United States lady fingers, and dark extra cocoa. So start right now. So as a first thing, we have to separate the yolk from the egg white and make sure that the yolk doesn't go into the egg white. Egg white here, yolk here. Bellovetto. If you have a different trick of how to separate the yolk from the egg white, let me know. Very interesting to hear from you. So first thing, we start to work on the yolks and adding some sugar, half of the sugar, and we do it until it looks like foam. So we're almost done. Mascarpone that we will add step by step. Every spoon at a time. Dai mascarpone. More mascarpone. Let's go mascarpone. Now if you have someone that doesn't want to eat raw eggs, go with pasteurized eggs so you can avoid the problem. Now we have to clean our beaters and then we're gonna work on our white eggs. Let's add a little bit of our sugar. A touch of salt for making it firm. And how we know that it's done? Because we can do this. Ooh. And it's firm. It's not moving. Ooh. Magia. Now we have our mascarpone cream with the yolk and our egg white, and we have to put together the egg white into the mascarpone cream. Do this fast and strong. In one way. Make sure that it blends well together. And now we take the rest of it. We do from the bottom to the top in the same way. And then keep folding from the bottom to the top in the same way. Now that is blended all together, we are ready to put our tiramisu together. We put some mascarpone cream. We put it on the bottom of our pan. Bellissimo e buonissimo. Il nostro savoiardo. Put in the coffee. Something about the coffee, I didn't put any sugar on it because I already put a lot of sugar on my mascarpone cream. Be free to add some sugar. You soak it into the coffee and then you put it in your pan. Easy. It's the most popular Italian dessert and it's so easy to make. Into our coffee. Espresso, zacchete, perfect. And I'll cover it with my mascarpone cream. Second layer to our coffee. And I do the same thing, same job. Why is it called tiramisu, which means pull me up, tiramisu? Because there is a caffeine that wake you up or just because it's so good? Good question. Our crew is eating. Think how well treated is our crew. Now we're going to add the extra dark cocoa, which is going to give that nice sour texture to our tiramisu. Our tiramisu is ready. Just put it on the fridge for a couple hours and then we'll be ready to taste it. So guys, after our cardio session and a shower, we're ready to try our tiramisu. Does it look beautiful? It does to me. So, let's try. Soft. Mom, you were right. This dessert, the tiramisu, really pull you up. I don't know if it's the caffeine, it's just so good. But guys, I really want you to try it. Buon appetito. Did you like this recipe? If you did, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell to your friends how easy it is to make real Italian dishes.